For today's Sunday service, this three-wheeler has a torn steering rack boot. So we gotta slip that off. First you gotta remove this tie rod end. Kind of note where the threads are so you can put it back on the same spot. Add some CV grease. Put the new boot on and secure with some zip ties. So I'm measuring this, and truthfully, this is the only ruler in the house that has millimeters. So there's that. I don't know, this feels like I'm just eyeballing it, but what is that, 12? 12 and some change there. I don't know, I think I'm gonna take a picture of where the thread is at instead. Just kind of mark that. Okay, quick update. I'm not gonna say how much time elapsed, but I had to get the convincer, and also it helped to remove the mudguard attachment area here. Looks like it's mounting hardware, because it seemed to be binding on the bottom of that. I also already trimmed away the boot just to see what things were looking like before removing all this, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. Update. So I put a little towel there to protect the paintwork while I was holding on to the jam nut and a wrench on this end here, just so I can gently remove it and be able to slip on the new steering rack boot once I remove that final bit of material there from the old one. Okay, so that steering rack boot is in place. Before getting it there, I basically squeezed out the entire CV joint grease tube inside of the rubber boot and kind of worked both ends in an unfilmable fashion, back and forth like in an accordion. And the jam nut is back where it was initially with the number of threads. All the hardware over here is tightened up, and hopefully this does not tear again in the near future. All right, thanks for watching.